Having trouble changing your age in Brawl Stars and you want to actually change it so you can play in Supercell? Let me walk you through it. So first of all, go ahead to the official website of Supercell, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click account. Right? Make sure that you log in to your Brawl Stars or Supercell account, and if you have already an account, you're gonna just go ahead and click the three horizontal lines at the top right, and you're gonna click support. You're gonna see, instead of login, you're gonna see a blue button that says contact us, or chat, and then you're gonna be able to basically explain your problem, which is a problem in your account, and then you gotta walk them through your demands, right? And they're gonna reach out to you so you can change your age in the same account, or you can log out, right, from the Brawl Stars and play in a different ID, and then you're gonna be able to change the age. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.